In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Minecraft low FPS on a high-end PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are encountering FPS drops or low FPS in Minecraft on your high-end PC, what you need to do is check if all your drivers are up to date. First, open up your control panel and go into the Java tab. The first thing to check is to click the Update tab in the Java control panel and make sure you are running the latest version of Java by clicking the Update Now button. If you need to update Java, go ahead, update it and restart your computer. If you don't, just click OK and then open up the Device Manager on your computer. In here, click on the display adapters and check which brand is your GPU maker. Your graphics adapter is usually made by either NVIDIA or AMD or Intel in some rare cases. So after you check which display adapter you have, open up any web browser and either go to nvidia.com to download drivers for your NVIDIA GPU or go to amd.com to download the AMD drivers. As you can see, I have a Radeon 5700 XT, so I just need to look for Radeon 5700 XT and download these drivers. After you download Java and update your drivers, you should be able to restart Minecraft and get high FPS. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix low FPS on high-end PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.